Hey everyone! If your Samsung phone's volume keeps going up and down automatically, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm showing you a 100% working fix that will solve this issue in just a few minutes. This usually happens because of a stuck button, a third-party app, or system settings. It can be super annoying when your music, calls, or notifications keep changing volume on their own. First, try safe mode. Press and hold your power button, tap power off, then long press it to enter safe mode. If the problem stops, it's caused by an app. Uninstall recent apps that control sound or volume. If it still happens, use a volume locker app to lock your volume. Or, for complete control, use Button Mapper to disable the volume buttons temporarily. Follow these steps, and your Samsung's volume will stay exactly where you want it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Telegram at Texify for more tips. I'm going to show you 3 steps. If the first and second steps don't work, then the problem might be with your hardware. In that case, you may need to replace your volume button. But don't worry. In the next step, I'll show you how to fix the problem without changing your volume button. Step 1. Accessibility setting. First, go to Settings, Accessibility, Hearing Enhancements. Here, you'll find an option called Mono Audio. Turn it on. Enabling mono audio can help fix some sound system issues on your phone, which sometimes cause the volume to go up or down automatically. This is a simple and quick fix, so always try this step first. Step 2. Reset accessibility settings. Next, go to Settings, General Management Reset. Start by selecting Reset Accessibility Settings. This will reset all your accessibility customizations, but don't worry, your data will not be deleted. If the problem persists, choose Reset All Settings. This will refresh all settings on your phone like a fresh device, without deleting any personal data. Often, automatic volume issues happen due to a settings conflict, and resetting helps resolve it. Step 3. Hardware issue and alternative fix. If the first 2 steps don't work, your volume button might be physically damaged. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it without replacing your volume button. First, install the Volume Locker app. Lock your volume using this app so your volume stays fixed and doesn't change automatically. For complete control, you can also use Button Mapper to temporarily disable the volume buttons. Even if the volume buttons don't work, you can still adjust the volume using the Assistant menu. By following these steps, your Samsung phone's automatic volume issue will be completely resolved.